Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've had an Amazon smiley package plopped through the letterbox and I've had a quick look because, as you know, we do tend to get quite a few packages and it's a little diamond painting project. So let's have a look and see what we've got. And again, I've used one of my Vipon coupons, that's VIPON. And I got it for half price. I think it should have been £12.99, which I wouldn't have paid, but I believe this one was £6.49, and it's from the Beaming store on Amazon, which I have used before and I have been quite happy with their products, so I was quite happy to order from them again. It's come in a nice little Ziploc bag. Okay, I think you can see we have a nice little elephant on it. So that's your little bag, and it is a little clutch bag or a little makeup bag, or you could use it for a phone, or you could even use it for a pencil case. And and it's got a nice lining in it, nice silky lining. I don't know if you can catch that, possibly if I put something in the bottom. Yeah, you can see there now, you can see a little bit more how the size of it. But yeah, I just thought that was nice. I liked the elephant, and he's got his trunk up, which trunk up is supposed to mean good luck. So yeah, it's a partial, so it is just the elephant in the middle. That is to be diamond painted. Oh, and the edge there, look, we've got number 4s all the way around. So there's, oh, that's a shame. It's a shame that the outer edge isn't done as well. It's just the inner edge, but that's okay. So let's give it a quick measure. It's like a faux leather material, so it'll be nice, easy to wipe clean. I think I might keep like my drill pens or something in this, because it's large enough for my drill pens. It's nice, good size. So we are 8 1/4 centimetres. Oh, let's go to the bottom, which is the largest part. So yeah, just under 8.5 inches, which is 21 centimetres that way, by 6 inches, which is about 15.5 centimetres. So a nice little size. There's no depth to it, you have just got your seam along the bottom there, but it does all seem to be nicely put together. There's no raggy edges or anything that looks as though it's going to come apart. So, but yeah, I just thought, oh, I like that, that's really sweet. You've got your basic toolkit, your pen, your boat and your wax, and there's probably about 5 little grip seal bags there. And then we have our gems, so let's have a look at these. So this one doesn't have a key code, or let's get into these first. It doesn't have a key code or an inventory sheet or anything. You just literally look at your number on your packet. So number 1, and then you look for number 1 on your little project, and you just go around and do that. But yeah, we've got our lovely blue AB coated, which is Aurora Borealis gem there, which they do tend to use that one for outlining quite a lot of projects, and this is going to be outlining the elephant. Sorry if you can hear crinkling. Millie's having a good sniff round at some of my bits that I've got on the floor at the moment while I'm tidying up. And we've got some clear silvers there, some lovely pale blue. Oh, that's a nice rich yellow gold there. And then in larger gems, we've got a green, which hasn't got any facets. We've got a red with no facets. Oh, we've got that lovely fire orangey red faceted larger gem. And then they are teardrops that are faceted in like a very pale champagne gold. So lovely colours there. Nice little project to do. Quite looking forward to that. Just maybe an hour to sit and do that, and just relax and just get your bits out and have a go. And yeah, February is smashing the specials, so another one to add to the smashing the specials. Okay, well, just a very quick little video, this one, just to show you what's come through the letterbox today. I've got a little dog just sat nattering at me, wanting to go out or play or something. She's trying to get my attention, so I'm not going to stay any longer. If you've got any comments or questions, if you leave them in the comments down below, and if you've enjoyed looking at this with me, if you give me a thumbs up, it's much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next and see what else is in store, then if you press that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when any videos come up from me. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.